For my free topic, I chose hiking and nature. And as a matter of fact, right now I'm at Cerro de la Silla and we went to Teleférico. And right now we are going down. I'm so tired right now, and one of my many hobbies is hiking and being on the nature. I like being on the nature because I see God's creation, and I really love mountains and see the little animals in the forest. Now we will continue going down, and when we get there, I will record another video of this hiking. We finally finished our adventure of today. We made in approximately 4 hours and 5.3 kilometers to the teleférico. I'm so happy because it's the first time I went up to the Cerro de la Silla, and even though we didn't go through the top of the mountain, I'm very happy because it requires a great effort to walk and hike all the mountain. So I'm very proud of us, my boyfriend and I.
Hello.
And I think this is the last video of the semester, of the weekly video. So bye.